Hey there, in this video I'm going to just share with you an idea on how we can reset the Beko washing machine if it stopped working and you want to just reset it. So this is something that I found is that try resetting the appliance by pressing and holding the start/pause/cancel button for 3 seconds. And when you're going to locate it right here, so you can have start and pause button and just try to hold it, press and hold it for let's say 5 seconds. But to be known, maybe your washing machine is also locked. So if it's locked, just also press and hold the fast plus where you're gonna have the lock key here button for 3 to 5 seconds if it's probably like locked and that's why you think it's not working. But if the pressing and holding for 3 to 5 seconds about the start and pause is not working out for you, what you can do, just try it out. Maybe it's going to work, maybe not. Just unplug it from the electric for let's say 2-3 minutes and then plug it back in. Maybe that is going to also solve the issue. I don't know what kind of issue we have with it, but I'm just sharing the ideas what you can try. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.